a broken nail and I want to fix it. I'm going to take some tweezers, some scissors, a tea bag, and nail glue. To start, I'm going to take my tea bag and my scissors, and I'm going to cut out a little square to cover the piece of broken nail. This first piece is a little big, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it again. Just make it a little bit smaller so it's not so big on my nail. Okay, and that looks better. So next up, I'm going to take my nail glue. I'm just going to put one drop over the broken piece of nail. Take my tweezers and get my tea bag piece that I cut out and place it on the broken piece so it can soak up all the nail glue. You might have to push it down a little bit so it can get soaked up and adhere to the nail well. Make sure you push it down in all the spots so there's no bubbles. Still have a couple bubbles, so I'm going to push them down again. Okay, I'm going to let that dry for a little bit. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to put another drop of nail glue on top of the tea bag that we just put on there. I'm not adding more, I'm just kind of smearing around the nail glue so it's a little smoother and not in all just one spot. Okay, we're going to go ahead and let that dry. And I'm going to go ahead and take my nail buffer and I'm just going to buff it out so it's nice and smooth. I'm starting with the edges. And I'm just going all over the nail, just making sure it's nice and smooth, no bumps, no ridges. And I'm going to feel, make sure it's smooth, make sure the edges are nice. This last step is optional, but I'm going in with a clear coat. And I'm just going to put a coat on top of there, just to make it a little smoother. But I'm going to put Color Street over this, so it's not huge important to put a base coat on or anything. Alright, and there we have it. I have fixed my nail.